Use promotion rules to promote products, brands, and sales items by showing graphical banners at the top of your result list. To get started, go to Site Search, Promotion Rules. To add a new promotion rule, press the Add New Rule button at the top of the page. Then fill in the following. Name. Fill in a descriptive name for your promotion rule. If you want to activate your promotion rule only during a specific period, you can specify a start and an end date. Query trigger. In this field, you can specify the trigger for your promotion rule. By default, it is set to all queries, but you can also use the specific query option if you want to display the promotion rule only for specific queries. Whenever you are triggering the rule on specific queries, make sure that your trigger tag has an exact match to the keyword on which you want to trigger the rule. You can add multiple trigger tags for the same rule. Filter conditions. If you want to display your promotion rule only when specific filters are active, you can add a filter condition. Select the specific filter and enter the value of that filter on which you want to trigger your new promotion rule. Banners. Click the Add Banner button to add a banner to your promotion rule. Fill in the URL of your image. Then, fill in the URL of the page you want people to be redirected to once they click on your banner. This is optional. Last, specify the state of your image. 3 options will appear in the drop-down menu: mobile, tablet, and desktop. You can decide the width and height of these banners yourself. Save your new promotion rule by clicking the Save button. Start using your on-site search engine as a marketing tool by using promotion rules today.